Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as you might have seen in our house tour, this is our master bedroom and this is the closet. Although we love this house, this is one big problem for us because it's a small closet and it's also builder grade. That means that the doors are smaller than the space that we have, and also the builder only gave us this wire shelf, which is not enough for a master bedroom and all the clothes that both of us have. So we bought this frame from Closet Made from Costco and we just installed it just for the time being. It's been over 1 year now and it's high time that we finally change it because this is not serving our purpose. As you can see, there's so much space that is wasted, especially on the sides, because what they do here is that they make the doors the same size as the rest of the doors in the house. So that's why it has to be smaller. But the frame, if you will see on top, is so much big. On the sides is so much big. There is so much more space that this area, for example, is just getting completely wasted on both sides. So we want to build a system that will be very useful, that will utilize all of the space that we have in this closet. It is a big enough closet for two people, but it's not, the system is not showing that. So what we're going to do is remove the doors and take off these extra walls here and really open this space up, and then we'll install the IKEA PAX wardrobes. We have worked with IKEA PAX before and we love their wardrobes. There's so many different options. You can just go in on IKEA, put in your dimensions, and then really customize your closet to your needs. So we have customized it, we have ordered everything is here. Now it's time to break this off. We have put everything inside in the room, we have covered everything, and we're ready to demolish this wall.
The door frame has been removed. The next step what I'll be doing is that I have to cut the inside drywall, and these are the 2x4 studs which are here. So I'll cut this whole portion of the drywall all across, and then when I put my blade from here at the other end wherever it comes out, then I'll be scoring it and then removing the drywall.
This is what it looks like from the inside now, and you can see the studs that are there, but we need to cut the drywall out from the front. So Akshat is just using a knife to cut it out, and then we should be able to see on this side like this how much we need to cut.
We have removed the drywall, and this is the framing which the builder made. These are 2x4s, and very important thing to notice that I checked, and this is not a load bearing wall. Basically our joists are running parallel to this stud on the top, so that's why there is no load on this stud. So it's safe for us to remove the frame, and we'll be keeping this stud and the ones on the side, so we'll be building inside this frame.
So we have just started making the packs. This is the size that we got is 100 by 236, and we are just making the packs here, and then we'll assemble it. So this is the place. This is how the space is looking, and we are just going to build it out together. Almost everything is done. We just have to put it together and then put it in, and we'll see if it fits or if it needs anything else on the sides. So it is day 2 now, and this is the progress we've made so far. We have opened up the whole wall, and we have done all of the prep work inside, and we've also built the 2 frames. So next what we want to do is push these frames together, and then we'll connect them so that they remain flush, and then we're going to install the door. Once we do that, we want to check if we put the door frame flush with the wall, does it hamper any mechanism? Are we still able to open it or not? And if it's all good, then we'll go ahead and finish this part. So we'll just put the door moldings on the side, and then we'll finish this so that it looks flush and it looks built in.
The sliding doors on our packs have been installed, so this is how it's looking right now. We still have to put some trims so that it's flush with the wall, and that we'll be doing tomorrow because we ran out of trims, and we'll have to go to Home Depot again to get some trims. Until then, what we'll do is that we'll be installing the shelves and the drawers which we got. We have installed all the drawers and the shelves, and I'll show you how beautiful it is looking. So this is how it's looking. Still have to finish off the edges, like you see the gap over here. This will be filled up, and then the sides will be also installed, like the door trim like you see over here, similar to that. It will be done here, and the And this is a sliding door with a soft close mechanism. Like you see, it just soft closes. We've got the trims from Home Depot. So these are the trims which we'll be using. um, these will go on the side. You just need to cut it to size, and some wood glue and brad nails.
For the finishing touches, we got these lights from Amazon. These are motion sensor lights, so they just stick with this magnetic tape that comes. So we've just put it here. We're just going to push it on the metal tape, and these are motion sensors, so when we open the closet they will light up. Finally, the closet is done. You remember how small it was and how less the amount of clothes that we could fit in, but now it is huge and we can fit in everything here, and we comfortably have two different sections for each other, and it also has a light. So let me show you how it looks from the inside. So this is one section. This is Akshit's. We got this pull-out tray where he can keep the stuff, and he can also look at it from above from the glass. One of our drawers is a glass drawer, and then the rest are normal wood drawers, and it is a similar situation on the right side. So let me show you my side of the closet. So I have the same setup. On top we have a scub organizer, so we just put all our winter clothes in there that we won't need for a while. And then we have the hangers. Again, we have the section here with the pull out with all of the jewelry trays, clothes, and down we have 3 drawers. So this is the setup. On the side, I think we finished it very nicely with the door trim. We have just filled the holes right now we did the brad nails, but we're going to sand it and paint it out once we do the room makeover. So we will very soon do a whole bedroom makeover, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our new videos. And when we do that, we'll paint our trim because we don't want to paint again and again. And this was our closet video. Hope you like this video and hope you like the idea. It was pretty simple with the IKEA PAX system. Highly recommend this. And if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
You